So hello guys, welcome to AZYX Gamer. Today we are going to play Granny Chapter 2. Now I will show you. The all hidden places. I will show you 1 minute. Let me enter. Let me enter. Wait. Let me off my net. Okay. Day 1. It's practice mode, so there is no granny and there is no grandpa. On the next granny video, we will do the easy mode. Now let us go. Water hang. Now I will say you one hidden place. This is common. We should open this and get inside and close and then do like this or this, like this. And here's another. This is very big hidden place. First we should put it down. We should open the two down drawers, and then we should do like, I will show you again. 1 minute. This gap, we should get inside it and then open it. Now this is a hide for us. Don't open these both things. When we want to shoot granny or grandpa, we should do like this and shoot and again do like this. We can go like this also, and we can go to this side wherever we can. And we have another like this. We have so many, and we can hide here too when grandpa is coming, like this we can, and inside this we can also hide. And this is the thing here. We can go inside. Oh, board steering wheel. We will get one shotgun. So we need a weapon key. So let us go. Now another hiding place that my friend has told me. Get inside this and like this. We are now at hide. A big hide. Now we can go to the upstairs. And I will show you one more. Like this, right? This. Open it. When grandpa is coming to here, you can do like this. When grandpa is coming from here, we can suddenly hide from here. But suddenly grandpa will regenerate from here. And there's many. And this is also common under the bed. All of them can. And from here we can open this like this. I will show you. It's now opened, and I get cutting pliers. Okay, now let me go. It's very slow, like a turtle. And we can hide here on this table. We want someone to here to climb on this. And another trick is that when grandpa is following you, you can run inside to this. Oh, my joystick. 1 minute. Let me. No. Sensitivity. Okay. Now what the heck is here? Oh, this is too much. This is too much. Oh, okay. Now it's okay for me. You can do it by your controls. And Grandpa is coming. Jump from here, and we will be coming here. This room and another. Here also we can hide. Here and best is here. I'll show you. You can open this. Go to its behind. Oh no. Ah yes, now it's here. No, my joystick. Yes, now I am in hide. Don't go out, don't go in. Not there. Now let us go. And we have only last one hiding place, and that is this. Grandpa's bathroom. So guys, our video is end. Our video is end. So thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel. Till then, bye bye.